Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set face recognition on a Dell 7320 Detachable. To set face recognition, go to Settings, and then in Settings go to Accounts. Then in Accounts you should see Sign In options. Now click on Facial Recognition. I already have one, so I'm gonna remove that. And now click on Setup again, then Get Started, and I'm gonna enter my PIN to my account. Then I need to position my face in this frame, so let's do it. Now I need to keep looking at the camera. And now it's done, I'm all set. And if you are wearing glasses, then I recommend you clicking on Improve Recognition, and in one of the scans wear the glasses, in other one don't. So if you've worn your glasses in the first scan, then click on Improve Recognition and scan without them. So the face recognition will work no matter if you have your glasses on or not. But I'm gonna close out of that because I don't wear glasses, and now I'm gonna show you how it works. So let's click here and click on my account. Then I'm gonna sign out and show you how I sign in with my face. So let's do it like that. Then I'm gonna select Sign In options, my face, and look at the camera. And as you can see, it's unlocked. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.